Have you ever wondered what the brightest LED bulb in the world would look like replacing your fog lights? In this video, I'm going to upgrade the fog lights on your 17 to 19 Ford Super Duty. I'm going to show you what it looks like compared to stock, what it looks like compared to the Ultra 2, the bulb that came before this one, and then I'm going to show you how to install it. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact, with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Now, your stock fog lights on this Super Duty use a reflector-based housing, and it's really important to replicate that 9005 halogen bulb with whatever LED bulb you install in here. Otherwise, it's going to scatter the light all over, or it's going to scatter it right in front of you and then blind you when you're driving. You're not even going to see your low beam or your high beam because you're getting blinded by your fog light output. GTR Lighting knew this years ago when they did their Ultra 2 bulb, and with the Ultra 3 bulb, it's just more refined and much, much brighter. I'm going to show you guys that now. I'm just going to back this truck up 10 meters away from the wall. Actually, I'll probably get it closer to the wall so you guys can just see the width. I'm gonna measure the actual usable brightness with a digital lux meter. That'll be the benchmark. And then I'll compare the Ultra 2 bulb, the bulb that GTR Lighting came out with years ago, and then I'm gonna show you the Ultra 3 and show you just how much brighter it is. Now, this is what your stock fog lights look like, and right off the bat, you're gonna notice that terrible looking color. This dated looking yellow, orange hue, it's the last thing you want. The Ultra 2 in white, that's the GTR Lighting bulb that came out years ago. I measured 706 maximum lux. Compared to your stock fogs of 172 maximum lux, it's 310% brighter. But remember, that came out years ago. Now, by now you know that a yellow bulb is often less bright than a white bulb. It loses about 30% brightness on average, depending on the headlight or fog light housing and the bulb type. And the yellow version, I measured 248% brighter, or 599 lux. The Ultra 2 did a great job. It's one of the best bulbs that's ever been on the market. The Ultra 3 blows that out of the water. For the white version, I measured 1,894 maximum lux. That is 1,001% brighter than your stock fog lights. This is the brightest thing you could ever install in your fog lights. And of course, GTR Lighting had to make a yellow version also, and it looks like this. I measured 1,733 maximum lux, or 908% brighter. And one thing to note, I didn't see that much loss of brightness. It's about as bright as the white version. Just look at how epic this looks. If this was my truck, I would definitely pick the yellow Ultra 3 for my fog lights. Not only is it insanely bright, but it's super easy to install. You probably don't need my help. And if you don't, go to headlightrevolution.com right now to get your set today. You're gonna be able to see into the ditches better and see so much further down the road. If you do need a little help, let me show you how to install it. All you have to do is reach your hand up, turn your halogen bulb counterclockwise, pull it away, and then disconnect your factory wiring. Now grab your 9005 GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb, plug that in, and install it the same way the old one came out. That is it. If you want to zip tie the excess wiring, go ahead, but you don't even have to. If for whatever reason you're getting a weird beam pattern out of your fog lights, it means that when you installed this, it wasn't clocked properly. You want it to sit like this, where it's upright like this and your LEDs are shooting out horizontally. If it's not, once it's locked into place, grab yourself the included Allen wrench here, locate the little screw that's right here, insert that, and you don't even have to remove this screw entirely. We're just gonna loosen it up a little bit, just like that. And then you'll notice that the base, or this collar here, is now loose. You're gonna have to play around with it a few times to make sure that when you tighten it back down, it's properly set like this inside of your fog light housing. That's all it takes. You're good to go from there. Now, as you can see, we didn't just do the fog lights, we also did the headlights. Check out that video to see just how much brighter it is than your stock halogen bulbs. It is so bright, it's such a good idea to put a bulb with a lifetime warranty on the front end of your vehicle. And of course, this is a 17 to 19 Ford Super Duty. We love upgrading the lighting on these trucks. We've done taillights, headlights, light bars, and so much more. Type in your year, make, and model at headlightrevolution.com and you can see everything that's truly been tested, that's not crap, that you need on your Super Duty.